Hello everyone. This video I'm going to continue with my notes with Postgres REST API project. Now we go to our project. Let's see what we have been done about the last episodes. Let's go to start it. Okay, now we have to open to our terminal and then get into the project directory. Okay, here we execute the VS Code command. And now I'm gonna run my server, my localhost server in this terminal. Right, let's get it. Okay, let's see our server is running. Let's see. Okay, this is my TS node executed. Now I'm in localhost. I will take my tool where I get to use this to test my data. Now I will minimize this and I will bring the tool. Come here and I will get it. Okay, here is my last episode. I have been create banker and query banker user account, and today I'm gonna take a transaction route and create customer transaction. The first I will create the new route here. I will create transaction route also .ts. Here we are. Now I will query the first thing before I'm going to create customer transaction. Now we import this express. Okay, I import this express. Then I gonna take a router and express dot router. Now I export this route as default. Yes, default router. Now I will create transaction. No, query. Yeah, query transaction. We use it router.get. Sorry. transaction. And I will use my async function. So let's get it. And I request and respond this. Now just try cat to show what I am going to return this. I will return red dot send error, and this I gonna return the basic text before I'm going to query all transaction data from database, because we must create customer transaction before we are query this. Okay, I will show basic text. Okay, this query user, no, sorry, this query is query or transaction from database. I must put S in the end. This I recommended before. Okay, now I'm going to create a customer transaction before I'm query this. Now let's go to our customer router. The last episode we have been create customer and query customer or customer, and this episode I'm going to create transaction customer of transaction here. So what we are going to need, create customer is transaction. This transaction is belong to customer. So what we are going to need, I will put this router.post, and I need this the first I need it customer. I use it to be what I use it to be customer ID. Let's see. Transaction. Okay, transaction must have customer ID. Yes, I hope belong. Okay, now I need this customer and customer ID. And this customer must have be can create transaction for this customer. Now I will using my function. Let's gonna check. think I'm gonna need something for special from this, because I use a Thai script. I gotta put this. Yes. And the other one is respond. Now the transaction. Now we get to a transaction. We have Thai. Thai is must be enum. So I getting this. Now I need this to get my customer ID. Customer ID. This I must have to request from parameter from this. Okay, now I will put in Thai cred. Okay, I return. I gonna return this message before send error. Okay. And I pay this, and the other one I will need it. I will need it as any. I still need this. One thing is Thai and amount. Okay, Thai and amount. This could be request from body. Yep, request from body. Now I gonna console is request body first. Request dot body. Then I will find customer from customer ID. Yes, find customer from customer ID. So I gonna take this. Okay, I gonna create customer before. Yeah, I use a way for find customer. I think I got customer. Yes, customer dot file one. Primary generate. Okay, I shall put is plus in for customer ID. Yeah, customer ID. Now I check his customer. If no any customer, I will return this status 404 and just message it. Customer not found. Customer not found. Customer not found this. And if our customer ID have been passed and I create the new transaction of customer. Now I will name this. Okay, I will name this for transaction. I will name this for transaction, and the first I gonna bring transaction model. Okay, I think I have been doing, no, still not yet. Okay, transaction entity. Okay, now yeah, this must be twice belong. Transaction, no, I need this one. Transaction dot create amount. No, Thai is always Thai is also the same amount. And customer, it could be customer. Now I waited to transaction to save it. Transaction save. Then we gonna change this. Check a try of transaction. Yeah. Check Thai. Now we check this because our Thai must be deposit or withdraw. Now we get it. Try a transaction. Before we are going to update data. So I shall give a Thai equal to transaction Thai. Okay, now I'm going to bring one thing is transaction Thai now. So I created transaction Thai now. Dot. Now we have two choice to select it. If we select deposit, we will get the money into the transaction account. Now we are deposit, and this we will our customer dot, and I will update this customer balance, yes, equal to customer balance dot we are going to plot this amount L. Now we have L if type equal to transaction type dot transaction dot withdraw. We are going to this user customer dot balance equal to customer dot balance minimize amount. Then I'm gonna update this customer, dot save and I will return this. I will return the normal message red dot status dot 200 and JSON message transaction had been added to customer account. Sure. So now I'm gonna try to check this. I will check this, how many customers I have. Okay, now I will create the new request. Okay, create customer transaction. Yeah, customer transaction, transaction. This could be post. Now I will copy this. Okay, I will copy this to create. Now customer I have to this. Okay, what I have been do for customer. Yeah, customer. Customer ID. sorry, my server is running quite bad. Okay, now I will create I will copy this link. I will put this through here, and I will see my customer. I will create this one. Okay, I will put this number 3 and transaction. I hope it's not wrong. Let me see my route. Okay, what I'm going to need it. I need a JSON. Now I will put Thai is this is Thai and amount. Thai I will show is withdraw. Surely could remember. No, deposit. I will deposit before, yeah, because we have no money. Why we can deposit and amount is to 21. I will put this 2,500. Let's try. Okay. Oh, sorry. This must be post. Okay, I'm gonna send again. Send post again. Now I create the transaction of customer. So let's go to our database to check. Oh, sorry. Which one I can create? I can check my transaction. Why it's been so long? Now I copied it for. I copy this for this body, because the next episode I will show it's an easy way. And this still can create. Okay. let's check my mini bank account. I think we are going to have transaction 1. Now let's try to create it. Okay, now we have deposit customer ID 3 and amount is 2,500 balances, and the other one we are going to check other. Okay, now I create. Now I put this. Okay, here you customer who is near me Jenny is had $2,500 balance, so I will give it deposit the other one. Okay, now I deposit this one. It's a 5,000. Yeah. Transaction 2, yeah, 5,000. Now, okay, check again. Okay, what? Oh, here we are. We got 5,000. And I will withdraw this. Check in. Withdraw 300. Yes, I will withdraw with 300. What? Sorry, I'm not putting this. Okay, I will cut this. I will withdraw it because we have deposit and now we don't have any withdraw, so we are I gonna try to withdraw this. Okay, check it. 1, 2, 3. Now I got it. Now I check this, the user bank, the user balance. Okay, this is all still the same, and this has been removed from 300 out because I have been to withdraw 300. So this video I gonna part for this because it have been to spend so long for create this account. So next episode I will create all transaction from database, and then customer transaction I will create for the next episode. So this for thank you for watching today. Thank you very much.